So you can see I've got this beautiful patch of oregano. It's gorgeous, but see how it's starting to flower here? That's okay because, you know, then I'll have the seeds for next year. But you can see how it's getting spindly at the top. It's time to harvest some of this because I'm going to harvest the top, and then that's going to make this plant bush out really nice, and you'll have a nice, thicker, wider, bushier plant of oregano. But in the meantime, we can harvest and use it for supper. So easy peasy, all you do is take off these really spindly tops here, and I'm going to take those in. So you can see where it's bushy on the bottom, but then the tops get kind of spindly, and just cut them. Don't be afraid to cut them wherever you want. And I'm going to take this in and have a great supper. And you have a great day.